Hi everybody, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of updates on Netflix. You will click on settings. Here we click on apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will search for a Netflix app. Then we click on first stop and we click OK. Here we go to storage. Then we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time.